Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanaya and I am the holistic nutritionist that you have been waiting for all along. I am the founder of Self Love Foundation, an academy for whole food teaching and natural food healing. Yes, I help high achievers master their gut health without starvation using the garden method. What's the garden method? The garden method is simply eating from earth. We eat from the nuts, the berries, the trees, the seeds, the fruits, and the roots. And this is the season to do it. So in this video, I will be showing you how I reset my gut in 3 days right when the spring equinox hit. When I tell y'all, I was cleansed, okay? That gut was cleansed, mind was clear, skin was glowing, everything was perfect. Yes, we shedded a lot of that dead weight, as you can tell. And we are shifting into that new season, shifting into that new timeline. Yes, like I tell y'all, I preach this stuff, but I also live it. So I'm showing y'all this today, and I'm showing y'all how exactly I did this within the 3 days, what I ate. Sometimes I didn't even eat that much. I might have had 1 meal a day, but other than that, y'all will see it. All right, so yeah, let me go ahead and show y'all what I ate this week. Every day I make sure I start my day off with something anti-inflammatory, and this day I was just making my ginger shots. So this lasts me about 3 to 4 days, and it's just a blood orange, lime, and ginger, fresh ginger. It definitely changes sometimes with some type of oranges or some type of lemons, but I always keep it with the citrus. And this, you can see, I make sure I start my day with my anti-inflammatory ginger shot. Yes, my daily digest herbal tea. You can find the link in the description below, and a fruit. So today was the orange. Then I followed up with a loaded sweet potato. This had lentils, lettuce, and salsa. It was so delicious. Season it on top with some salt and pepper, and it was delicious. Yeah, so here's me again taking my ginger shot, shaking it up, getting all the sediment out of it. And if somebody ever tells you that a ginger shot gets easier, they're lying, because it is so spicy, but it's so good for the body. No inflammation at all. Then I followed up with my lovely daily digest herbal tea. It's very hot, so here I am blowing it. But I think I had the same thing for breakfast, which was an orange. This right here was a salad. Y'all know y'all like dressing, and it's okay, but this one didn't need dressing, so I just kept it full of the fresh flavors with onion, tomato, and a steamed roasted potato medley. And it was so delicious. Then this right here was just a little play in the kitchen. It came out so good. This is chickpeas, collard greens, bell peppers, and onions. Then I layered it with some zucchini, some sauce at the bottom. This was like a zucchini lasagna. Added the sauce and tomatoes, and then roasted it in the oven. I didn't let it cool, so that's why I look like this, but it was so good and flavorful. Y'all should try it. Next, this was the next day, and this is my daily digest herbal tea, anti-inflammatory ginger shot, healthy fats, mandarin, and strawberries. The healthy fats was the dry roasted peanuts, of course. This is my snack, sweet potato with some roasted onions. And this was dinner for me. So I had a bunless burger from scratch. Yes, that was a bean burger with my toppings and some steamed potato medley again. That was okay. Now that y'all have seen what I ate in a week, don't forget to give me a like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this and see what I mean when I say I eat from the garden. Y'all see what I mean, right? Like, I keep it simple, keep it light, keep it cute and full of fruit. And y'all better be doing that too. Keeping it light, keeping it cute and full of fruit. But yes, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.